The humble safe house that was the subject of raid was in the mountainous forest region near the border between the states of Sinaloa and Durango. The area is known as Piedrosa, or the Rocky One, and is located between peaks and canyons. An elite marine group was deployed to the area and raided the property, hoping to trap Guzman in early October. And the footage was shot on cameras attached to helmets worn by the troops. And the October mission, of course, did not produce the wanted recapture, but it was clear Mexican forces were already hot on Guzman's tail, as it looked like he did not have time to pack up all his tons, from vitamins to sandals, before fleeing again.